Andre, hi.
Since you on the spot, how are the waves?
It's pretty good.
You good?
Watch this. I'll show you. Dang. Cross stitching. Good. Andre, it's my bad side.
It's so nice today. Dude, it's finally summer.
But the
I know.
like right up his nose.
I think this is the first day of the year that I'm actually not cold.
Down here at Aliso Beach. The sun's out. I'm skimming with very cool individuals.
You're the cool one, man.
No. You are.
Stop it, man. Stop it. Stop it.
Look at Jake.
That was gnarly.
It's like a frontside big spin flip or something.
You're literally everywhere you go.
Always at the beach.
You probably haven't been here for like 6 hours.
No, today was different and I regretted it and I had to force myself to come to the beach. Actually, didn't force myself, I just had no choice.
Fun for a little bit. Got a lot of fails.
Dude, it's sick.
Yeah.
Such a nice sunset.
Yeah, it was such a nice sunset.
Hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
Oh,
Hey, Lily. Lily, come here.
Lily,
I want to introduce you to Lily. Hey, kid. Come over here. Say hi to TV Land.
Hi.
Say hi, I'm Lily.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTubes.
Hi.
Say skip kids.
Hi.
Are you British? What's up with that accent?
I don't know.
She actually does a pretty good accent. Can
Can
you do
you
your
do an
happy
accent?
birthday? Can you do happy birthday, George? No.
Would you like to say anything to everyone? Everyone's watching you right now.
Nope.
All right. Perfect. Bye.
How was it?
It's perfect and wonderful and lovely. Great sunsets, beautiful waves. It's quite chilly.
You're gonna have some fish and chips?
Yes. I don't know why all of a sudden I broke into English accent.
Dude,
Look at that sun, dude.
look at that sun, man. You blew it though.
Yeah.
That last 360 shot, big spin they went.
Oh,
Going that way.
are we done? I'll do another one.
You're like above the sun is like the most beautiful thing ever.
Oh,
It's the best shot of the day.
can we get another one?
Yeah, I think that's more.
Let's get another one. Look at this thing coming.
That was sick.
So many fails. Well, that was a good one right there.
This might be the first time I see you at Aliso.
I know. I like barely come down here. I like the ciders a lot
Only
more.
the ciders, yeah. When it's firing for Aliso ciders, that could be here, but
What do you do out here?
Yeah, wherever there's a cider.
yeah.
Wherever there's a cider, I'm pretty much
Wherever
there.
there's a cider, I'm there.
Yeah, but Aliso it gets really fun.
Yeah.
So it's hard to stay
Almost
away.
did it tonight,
Yeah, no, there was almost a cider night.
but just not working, I guess.
Yeah. Hey you
No,
there.
ma'am.
Hey you. I see you.
It's pretty magical though, after the
Yeah.
It's a pretty magical day.
Thanks for filming,
Glassy
Andre.
day. Yeah, thanks for filming, Andre.
People are crazy here, man.